Hi everyone. Welcome to today's session about 5 ways how you can make your core strong. We'll be doing a little bit of theory about the core. I'm Dr. Rajni Patil. I'm a spine and sports physiotherapist. I specialize in spine and sports. I lived and worked and studied, did all my master, my DPT, everything I did post-grad in the US. I was there for 10 years and I picked up a lot of valuable advanced stuff that I then, when I came back to India, and Mumbai, I apply that now, right? So about 23 years of practice, and I do a lot of preventive stuff, which is why these free workshops I hold, because I think that a lot of pain can be prevented. Everything that's happening, back pain, knee pain, especially if you're an athlete, you know that pain is part of your life. So you have to make sure that the foundation of your body is strong, and that brings me to core. And in all these years of my practice, I have seen that core is so misunderstood. And this is not just lay people, it's athletes, it is trainers, it is sometimes, even doctors who don't quite understand what the core really is, and hence people end up injuring their back. So because I treat so much spine in the clinic, which means neck pain and back pain, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि deadlift किया, pain आ गया, crunches किया, pain आ गया, and then sometimes they are big problems like disc issues हो जाएगा, फिर उसको treat करते 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 it takes time, right? So that's what I don't want for you. I want you to do your core training in the right way. So if you're new to my community, I have a WhatsApp forum, which is a health and fitness forum, but I also have separate forums for runners and cyclists, because these are the two groups of athletes that I work with closely. And running is my passion. We treat runners a lot, and we do a lot of preventive stuff for them. So if you're a runner, if you want to be in this forum, please ping me. I will put you in the group. So let's get started. If you're doing any core exercises, if you are, I want you to tell me what are the top 3-4 exercises that you are doing. If you have worked on your core in the past, and if you had an injury from it, I want you to tell me that also. So it looks like there are two types of audience here. One is the type that probably has not worked on the core and you want to do it now and you want to do it the right way. That's great. Over all these years of practice, these are the exercises that most of my people say that they're doing. Crunches, planks, leg raises, Pilates is fine, but these exercises, I know that these are the common ones that people do. But the fact is that when you do some of these exercises, one, you are putting your lower back at risk. Okay, crunches directly create a lot of pressure on the back. That's point number one. But the point number two, crunches only work one muscle. And can you guess how many muscles are there in the core? What do you think the core is? But the biggest myth that exists is that abs are core. Okay, and that's the biggest myth of all. And I want today, from this session, if you take nothing else, I want you to take away the fact that there are so many muscles of the core. And I'm going to show you a few photos here so you can connect with that, right? One, abdomen is the core. Most people think that this area is the core. It's not. If I tell you, अपना core tight पकड़ो, क्या करोगे आप? पेट को अंदर खींचो. But there are so many other muscles. What about that? जब हम स्पाइन को एक तरफ से लोड करते हैं, दूसरा साइड भूल जाते हैं, which is the फ्रंट को हम लोड कर रहे हैं, एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम साइड भूल रहे हैं, हम ग्लूट्स भूल रहे हैं, हम बैक भूल रहे हैं. यू आर नॉट लुकिंग एट द होल कोर, यू आर ओनली लुकिंग एट वन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द कोर. दैट्स द बिगेस्ट मिथ, एंड दिस इज व्हाट क्रिएट्स मोस्ट बैक पेन, स्लिप डिस्क, इवन नेक पेन, बिकॉज क्रंचेस में लॉट ऑफ neck pain also starts to happen from that. So is six pack. So running after a six pack, somebody who is sedentary, not doing much, एक दिन सडनली उनको मोटिवेशन आएगा, मेरे को तो सिक्स पैक बनाने का है. फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट दे विल डू, स्टार्ट डूइंग क्रंचेस. In 5 days, back is gone. Six pack तो दूर का, अभी back का treat करो. Crunches, another big myth. So all types of crunches people do. Oblique crunches, leg crunches, whatever. All kinds of stuff. There is a video specifically I have made on what I think are the worst exercises, core exercises that you should be doing. I will share that later, but deadlifts, crunches actually tops my list. Okay, if you are doing planks, that's okay, but please understand that planks, if you're not doing that right and if you don't have the foundation, then that's not going to help you either. You're doing that plank is probably 10-20% effective. आप पूरा core शायद use नहीं करो. What does medical science, what do statistics tell us? 80%, more than 80% of back pain is coming from a poor core. If you can make your core strong, then your back pain will go away. Of course, you might need some treatment to get you to the point where you can do core training. And you have to make sure that you are not following all these myths, खाली जाके फटाफट जाके crunches करोगे. If you go and do crunches today, your back pain will definitely get worse, right? So you have to be guided by a professional, which can be a spine physiotherapist who knows the spine really well, or a trainer who actually knows anatomy well, right? Somebody who's experienced. What is the core? How many muscles make up the core? Most people think that this is the core. इधर कितने muscles हैं? 3, 4, 5, बस इतना ही है इधर. बाकी सब what about all the rest? Okay, 29 pairs of muscles that make up the core. And this is reality, and this is what people don't know, and that's why they're injuring their back again and again and again when they're trying to do core training. Your core muscles are the foundation of your body. Foundation मतलब क्या? अगर ये पार्ट आपका strong है, older days में आप European women used to wear the corsets, you remember those, right? So the corset area इतना पूरा जो cover करता है, अगर ये area हमारा rock solid strong है, तो आपको कोई इंजरी कभी नहीं होगी. In fact, every patient who comes to my clinic, once I make their pain a little bit better, medically I'm treating them, then my end goal is to make their core strong. Because if I discharge them before making their core strong, the pain is going to come back. It can be shoulder pain, it can be neck pain, it can be knee pain. How many knee pain patients, thoda treatment karke, but the minute I start making their core strong, the knee pain vanishes. Why is that? Okay, there is a huge correlation between our core muscles, our spine. Our spine has to be strong, right? ये अपना backbone है. ये हमारा बैकबोन के आसपास आपके कोर मसल्स है. अगर ये अच्छे से स्पाइन को पकड़ के रखेंगे, स्ट्रॉन्ग बना के रखेंगे, तो हिप पेन नहीं आता, नी पेन नहीं आता, फुट पेन नहीं आता, कुछ नहीं आता, राइट? Look at the anatomy of the core. 1 minute. I want you to take a look at this slide carefully. These are all the muscles. Let's break this down थोड़ा सा और. You see how many फ्रंट में जितना है, साइड्स में जितना है, उतना ही बैक में है. आपके लोअर बैक मसल्स भी कोर में आते हैं. आपके ग्लूट्स, these are the big muscles. अगर इसको हम स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं रखते हैं, absolutely the load पूरा लो बैक पे आएगा. Everybody with back pain or a history of back pain, I want you to think about this today. This is all the muscles. I don't want to get into so much detail. Also your diaphragm. The diaphragm is your primary breathing muscle. यहाँ बैठता है वो. So when you do breathing, that's also a core muscle by the way. Nobody thinks about that. Crunch करते हो, breath hold किया, plank किया, breath hold किया, diaphragm तो आप भूल गए, क्योंकि diaphragm फिर use ही नहीं हो रहा है. Right? You have to use your breathing also effectively when you're doing your core exercises. Even in the abdomen, there are so many muscles. But when you're doing the crunch, you are only working your rectus abdominis. Here, थोड़ा side का muscles होता है. But the reality is, अगर आपने आपके muscles को activate नहीं किया है, the foundation is only not there. If they are starting from zero strength और आप crunch कर रहे हो, that means कि उसमें वो capacity नहीं है to do that exercise. Which means this is how our body works. अगर एक मसल काम नहीं कर रहा है, मूवमेंट हो जाएगी, पर कोई और मसल काम कर रहा है. So here in this case, you can guess what muscles are working. Your shoulders, your neck, your chest, all this is working hard to bring you up. Your hip muscles, everything is working, पर और कुछ ऐप तो कुछ काम कर ही नहीं. This is the reality of a crunch. Unless you have done a lot of activation and foundation exercises, that is reality of a crunch. If you are not thinking, if you are not working on your core, then these are all the things that happen. They are all directly connected with a weak core, right? Knee pain, I told you. Back pain तो सबसे बड़ा है. Whenever you do any exercise for the front of the spine, you must do some for the back. समझो आज आपने बैक वर्कआउट किया है, सब अपर लोअर बैक, अपर बैक, ये सब आपने वर्कआउट किया है. अगर आप फ्रंट को भूल गए तो दैट इज पुटिंग योर बैक एट रिस्क. अगर आपने आज क्रंचेस किए हैं और आपने बैक को स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं बनाया है, दैट अगेन इज गोइंग टू पुट यू at risk. So what do you need to do? You need to do a balanced set of exercises, not just one type. In COVID time, I was teaching Bulletproof Back and Core course. This is a 10-session course. And I taught it all online during COVID. Okay, and from there, a lot of great feedback has come from runners being able to push, they do great. People who were cycling who did great because they were able to do, because they had worked on their core in a very scientific way. So there are so many people who, if they get the correct guidance and if they work on their core in a very structured manner, then it makes a huge difference. Instead of एक कल plank कर लिया, 4-5 plank कर लिया, squats कर लिया, anything like that, that's going to really mess up. खिचड़ी पक जाती है core की, right? So that's what we don't want to do. Here are the 5 exercises that you are using and abusing. Squats. Most people think that squats work on the core and they think that it works on the glutes. The reality is, if you are not activating your core muscles, you're not activating your glute muscles, and you're directly jumping into a squat, trust me, your glutes are sleeping. or they are half dead. I used to say dead part syndrome. There is actually a syndrome like that where your glutes just don't fire. Not in sitting, not in walking, not in standing. So when you do a squat, what are you doing? You're only working your quads. Our quads are great to work, that's fine, but is it a core muscle? No. Glutes are your core muscle. It's the foundation of your core. Squats में कुछ नहीं होता है, glutes work नहीं होते. If a clue should be, if you're getting a lot of glute soreness after doing squats, congratulations, your glutes have engaged during the squats. But if not, then no. Second one, lunges. So same thing. Squats, lunges sit in the same bracket. Okay. I'm not saying you should not do these exercises. What I'm saying is you should know the truth of these exercises. आप अगर अपने quads build करना चाहते हो तो definitely squats and lunges करो. पर ये मत सोचो कि इससे आपके glutes strong हो. Planks are great. Side plank is actually more superior than a regular plank. But planks, most people are doing it wrong. They are not engaging the glutes at all. They are not engaging any muscle. Movement तो हो जाएगी, कितनी भी देर हो जाएगी. पर muscles activate किए क्या? Squeeze करके hold किया क्या? That's how a correct plank is to be done. Crunches, unnecessary. Absolutely unnecessary. In my BBC 10 sessions, I work on every one group of muscles, and there's not a single crunch. ये जरूरत ही नहीं है. फिर भी, when we do our pre-assessment before I start my course, I do a pre-assessment. We look at where your core is. What all these muscles that you saw in the anatomy, I check every single one of them. So I know where your starting point is. And then at the end of the program, we recheck and all the muscles are nice and strong. If something goes wrong, I know where to tweak it. Deadlift. I don't like this exercise at all. जो बोलेंगे अरे deadlift तो करना ही चाहिए, workout किया और deadlift नहीं किया तो ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? But if you had a history of back pain, please don't torture your back. Stop doing a deadlift. There are so many better exercises how you can make your back strong. आपका end goal क्या है? Deadlift में back को strong करना है. और बहुत exercises हैं, वो करो. Risk मत डालो अपने back को, disc पे load इतना मत करो. When we assess the core, it's not just the muscle strength. It's also the muscles around the core, like your hip flexors, your QL which sits here. All of these muscles also have to be open. अगर वो tight है, तो आप कितना भी core exercise कर लो, वो strong नहीं होने वाले. So we will be looking at that. We'll assess that. वो tight है तो पहले वो release करो, उसके बाद strong करो. Right? That's how the effective way of working on your core is. So if you wanted to check your core on your own, these are the exercises that will help you understand how great your core is. I would say you start with doing side planks. Side plank करो दोनों side पे. See if there is right and left में कितना difference है. Because if one side is you are able to hold it for say 30 seconds and one side you are able to hold it for 6 seconds, then that's a huge discrepancy. It means somewhere either your gluteus medius is not working or your oblique is not working. Okay, and how will you know that, right? Unless somebody checks that. The other great one to do is bridge with SLR. Also a very underestimated exercise. So bridge is coming up like a bridge and then keeping your legs straight. This is more of a qualitative as well as quantitative. So the longer you can hold it without your hips dropping and without any rotation, that's a great way to test your core also. Seal. Seal is lying on your tummy and coming up as high as you can. That tests your back extensor muscles. Now, the way that my top exercises for the core, it's not just strength, it is all of this. Okay, it's step by step. First, we start with activation exercises. Activation is the first step in order to build your core. उसके बाद आप foam rolling करोगे, hip पे, QL पे सब muscles release करोगे. उसके बाद आप core and glute का isolated exercise करोगे. Isolated मतलब क्या? वो ही खाली muscle work होना चाहिए और कोई muscle काम नहीं करना चाहिए. Only then you know that it is actually working. So the problem with plank is that you don't know what muscles are working. But when you do an activation and then an isolated exercise, वो muscle को option ही नहीं है, उसको काम ही करना पड़ेगा, right? So there are exercises like that you should be doing. Those are the first 2-3 steps. उसके बाद दुनिया भर का plank करो, दुनिया भर का crunch करो, that is it. Okay, so this brings me to almost the end of the session. I want to hear from you if you have understood. This was a very small glimpse of, I can talk about the core a lot as you know, but this was a small way of in daily life you should be able to, अगर आप cook कर रहे हो, अगर आप वॉक पे गए हो, आप ये अवेयरनेस रखो कि कोर आपका एक्टिवेटेड है कि नहीं. दैट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. हाउ विल यू बिल्ड ऑन इट? यू विल डू द सिक्वेंशियल. एंड आई वांट यू टू be an aware person. I want you to be an educated person about the core so that you don't do the wrong exercises, you do them the right way. Okay, you don't want to do all. So the way that I teach BBC, I take one muscle group. So I'm going to take one day only extensors and we are going to strengthen the extensors fully till we move on to the next group. Okay, उसका आप circuits करोगे, level 1, level 2 circuits करोगे आप. So back to back, when you do the easy to hard exercises for the same muscle group, that's how it gets strong. Then you move on to the next one. Now, which one to start with? That I will decide in BBC, because everybody का spine is different, right? For you, I know I have to start on your glutes, because that's going to help your knee. That will give you faster results. So when it's individual, I will be able to understand which to work. But if you're doing this on your own, then you have to, one, if you do crunches, I would like you to stop them and do other better things. But if you are doing crunches, please make sure you're doing seal after that. When you finish that workout, do few seals, Superman exercises like that activate the extensors also. You can do your activation exercises before your workouts. You can, in a day, maybe target 2 core muscles and then do cyclically. So every day you don't want to work on the core, but of course if you're in BBC, then every day you will be doing one circuit, and that's how you get fast results. Every knowledge, every little information that you get helps you go in the right direction. I hope you never have back pain, ever. So, okay, let's close the session. Thank you so much guys for being here.